This week's Practice Minute, we want to talk about a little attitude that says, what is your problem today and how can I help you? We've talked much about this kind of attitude. You want to give that patient the idea that you're interested in them. What is it their issue is today? Because once you identify that issue, first of all, they know that you care for them. Number two, you are able for them to get it off their chest what their issue is. Number three, once you give them that attitude that you are, what is it that I can do for you? What is your biggest issue? All the other things sort of seem to melt away into insignificance. And you end up psychologically, once you've identified what that major issue and you deal with it, all of a sudden they forget often about those other things that are not really, they're peripheral issues that are really muddying the waters. So that you can spend more time on what the root issue, and that's what makes patients love you. That's the Practice Minute.